big breaking news that is coming right now, and this is exclusive information that Mirror Now has got. Mirror Now that has been tracking the vaccine trials very, very closely, and we were just talking about the vaccine trial that has been put on pause by AstraZeneca, which is working on it in partnership with the Oxford University. Now, in the light of that, what happens to the trial that's going on here in India? Well, that's the question even the government seems to be asking. The government has actually sent a show cause notice to the Serum Institute that had partnered with Oxford University on conducting the phase 2 and 3 trial here in India, and the government is asking the Serum Institute to explain what is going on. Let me see if I can go across to Ayushman, who's exclusively accessed this show cause notice for us and has the details. Ayushman, what is it that the government is asking from the Serum Institute? Okay, I'm going to go to Ayushman in just a bit. Let me just read out the basic details to you and tell you this. Remember, the vaccine which is being researched, developed, and a study for which is being conducted by AstraZeneca, the company, which is a Swedish UK-based company, and Oxford Universities are also partnered with Serum Institute. So some part of the trials are also being conducted here in India, in Pune, at the Serum Institute. And now there is a big question mark on whether these trials will continue or they too will have to be suspended. We were just talking about it, and our experts are telling us that there isn't much clarity on why AstraZeneca has actually put this on hold, but reports suggest it's because one of the volunteers showed signs of illness. Ayushman, take us through the details. What does the show cause notice that you exclusively access really say?
Well, Tanvi, if you see globally, it has been said that globally the vaccination trial that is going on, that has to be halted. But when we reached out to Serum Institute of India, they clearly said that they are continuing with it. Now, the DCGI has written a letter in which it has been directly confirmed that the Central Licensing Authority is giving an opportunity provided under Rule 30 of New Drug and Clinical Trial Rules, why the permission granted to Serum Institute shall not be suspended till patient safety is established, and for that reason only it has been said that the reply of Serum Institute should be reached as soon as possible to to the DCGI, or else action will be taken. It has been said that it has been clearly specified by AstraZeneca that the ongoing trial has been paused all across the world, and why India is continuing it. An explanation has been sought from the Serum Institute. Otherwise, the action will be taken against them.
Okay, so you're saying, Ayushman, essentially the Serum Institute hasn't informed the government and the licensing authority about what's happened in UK, and that's what they're asking right now. But you did get in touch with the institute earlier in the day. What did they tell you?
Well, they clearly said, Tanvi, that whatever questions are being raised all across the country, all across the world, in context of UK, our question was there, and they said that in context of UK, if we are talking about, it has got nothing to do with what is happening in India, and the Serum Institute had clearly said, and this is what I'm quoting, we can't comment much on the UK trials, but they have not. But they have been paused for further review, and they hope to restart soon. As far as the Indian trials are concerned, it is continuing. Now, this is something which the DCGI has got a problem with it. They are saying that if it has been done for the global aspect, why it is not being stopped in India? And that is why the show cause notice has been issued, to which they need to respond to the DCGI, and only after that the DCGI will give their viewpoint on the after getting the reply from Serum Institute. Tanvi.
All right, Ayushman, thanks so much for joining us, and getting us those details. I am going to quickly also read it out one more time for our viewers. This notice, show cause notice that Ayushman has exclusively accessed for us from the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, which comes under our government, to the Serum Institute. And this says, explain to us why Serum Institute Pune still up till now has not informed the Central Licensing Authority regarding pausing of the clinical trial carried out by AstraZeneca in other countries, and also not submitted causality analysis of the reported serious adverse event with the investigational vaccine for continuation of phase 2-3 clinical trial of the subject vaccine in the country in the light of safety concerns. In the view of the above, the Drug Controller General and Central Licensing Authority are giving you, the Serum Institute, an opportunity to show cause why the permission granted to you shall not be suspended till patient safety is established. Now, this could simply also be procedural. Remember, the news and the announcement from AstraZeneca has just come, earlier this morning, and that's what the whole world really woke up to. The government is only asking Serum Institute, give us the details, what's going on. We are only listening and watching about it in the news. Give us a status update before we can decide whether the trials in India for the same vaccine also have to be suspended. So that's the story. We're going to keep a close track of it. But for now,